Today I'm going to be microwaving this allegedly shatterproof bulb. Supposedly this thing won't shatter, but we'll just see after it's been exposed to some microwaves. This should be a really cool episode. Alright. Well, I've never seen that before. The bulb actually came apart from itself. Well, I guess the bulb did sort of, I guess you could say, survive. It just came apart. So, oh, hot. Should you do something like this? No, these so-called shatterproof bulbs really aren't that safe to microwave, or maybe they are. I don't know. I'm just going to err on the side of caution here and say this thing is unsafe.